Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight, y'all, we are going to just whip up a really quick supper. And I said, why not drag all y'all along for this? So, you may have seen this little recipe going viral and on the ticket to talk and all these things. And let me just tell you, it is really good. If you've not seen it, honey, here's your chance.
You about to see it.
You're about to see it tonight because it's going to be me and James Russell's supper. And it doesn't take long to throw it together. Y'all know how I like that. And so we're going to just jump right in so we can get to it. Now, this is a Ravioli Bake. And just a few ingredients. Now, I am going to add some onion to my sausage. You can totally leave that out. You can throw whatever you want in this. This will be good with some pepperoni or whatever you want in this. But this is what we're doing. And we are going to start scrambling up this little sausage. I've got some mild Italian ground sausage. You can also use hamburger or nothing at all. Honey, if you don't want no meat in it, you do you. So, but we're going to have some little sausage in ours. So I'm going to get the sausage scrambled up and show you how quick it is to get this together, get it in the oven, and get our supper together. All right, I got my little pan getting hot here, getting all nice and cozy. She ain't fired up quite yet, so we got to give her just a little minute to get with us. I've got my oven. It's about to be at 375, and got that rearing to go, because when we get this ready, we're going to just throw it right in and let it bake. Ain't nothing worse than getting all your ingredients together, and honey, you forgot to preheat that oven, so got that going. Let's see what we got here. She's thinking about it. Give it a little spin here. Be proud of me, Russell. I don't have my fork.
I'm sure you got it somewhere.
Somebody fussed at me and said you shouldn't be using that fork, and I know I shouldn't. I really do. There goes the oven. She's good with us now.
She's careful, y'all. She's careful than I would be.
I really am. I hadn't scratched it up, but
no, she hadn't.
It does look. I know better. I do. But anyway, I'm gonna pour just a little bit of water in here because y'all know how I like to break it up. Just a little bit. Have it all smooth. Long.
People gonna fuss no matter what you do.
Sometimes. That's alright. I can take it. I got tough skin.
She's tough, y'all.
I'm a tough old bird. I am. Tough old bird. As I was burning my finger right there.
Oh, you got the hands to it.
Well, I felt that now.
Mm-hmm.
I just tried to turn the pan on the outside. Probably wasn't the smartest thing to do. Now, I am going to add, you don't have to do this, I'm going to add a little more seasoning to my sausage. I'm going to put a little bit of oregano, and probably about a teaspoon of oregano. And I'm going to add some onions. I almost forgot. I'll go ahead and dump them in there, because we're trying to hurry up and just get supper ready. I got about a half an onion here. Obviously, if you don't like onions, honey, leave it off. But we like them, don't we?
Yes, we do. Make everything get more flavor.
It really does. And we're going to add a little garlic powder. A little what's up. Like a little garlic powder in it. And maybe just hit it with a little Italian. Just a little bit. Now let me get to stirring this before I have a situation. We don't want it to stick.
You don't want no situation.
No, we do not. Look at me, got stuff all up in that. Trying to get all my little pennies and nickels and dimes up out of that. I should have, see?
Yeah.
I shouldn't let the peer pressure get to me.
Yeah.
And this sausage is really lean, as y'all can see.
I'm going to tell you what, it smells yummy.
It does. And you just use, like I said, you can use hamburger meat.
Maybe I'm just hungry. That could be it too.
Could be it. We did good today, y'all. We went and did our little walk. We did our walk before we did our supper. We was kind of backwards. But we got it in.
Yep.
We've been trying to do better with the exercising.
Yep.
I know this is carbs, but we are trying to work a little off. All right, we are almost there. That didn't take but a few minutes. All right, I am gonna set this over here. Get that out the way. Now, I've just got my jar of spaghetti sauce that I had canned. Listen, you do you. Use what you got. I'm going to pop this
Don't get no better than that right there, y'all. So
no.
I'm just telling you. Speaking from what I know.
Woo! All right. Oh, snap. All right. In she goes. In she goes. That nice thick
Ooh,
sauce.
I can't tell you how good that smells.
Uh-huh.
Ooh.
I'm going to get this some. You know what? I'm going to use that little bit of water right there. Just give her just a little bit of cleaning it out. We're getting all of it.
Ain't gonna be long with it. Canning season again.
It will be.
Garden planting time.
Mm-hmm. We already got us some little tomato plants.
Yep.
Sprouting up.
When do y'all plant y'all's garden? Give us comments, let us know, because it's we still having some cold mornings here. It's kind of hard to know.
It's crazy. It's been 40s the last couple of nights.
Yep.
And then it gets up to 70, 75.
Yeah.
We got some bipolar weather.
We do.
But I'll take it over freezing cold or snow for y'all.
Absolutely. Y'all people up north. Ooh,
Yes.
how y'all do it?
I don't know.
That looks good right there.
All right, this is as far as we're gonna take it. Now you can let this simmer for a while. Obviously, the longer you let this simmer, the better it's gonna be. You can let it let that sauce cook down a little bit and have it thicker if you want to. But I want it to cook my pasta, so I'm gonna leave it just like this. And I didn't cook this sauce and cook this sauce down.
It's already simmered before we canned it. I
Yes.
can tell you that. It cooked and
He
cooked
actually
and cooked and
watched
cooked.
it this
I
time.
sure did, buddy.
All right.
And there'll be, and if y'all are interested, I will put the spaghetti sauce canning video in the link of the description if you want to know how we can that and can that spaghetti sauce.
And that spaghetti sauce.
Yeah, I'll put that video in the description of this video.
All right, this is ready, and now I'm going to show you how I'm going to put it together. All right, y'all. I'm going to put just a little bit of this sauce in the bottom of this pan just so it like don't stick. You know what? Here's what I'm going to do. This is how we're going to do it. I'm just going to pour this all in here. You can do this so many ways, and hey, that's the good thing about you cooking in your own kitchen. You can do it the way you want to do it. This is how we gonna roll. All right, I've got a 4.5 pound bag, 4.5 pound bag of cheese ravioli. Actually, that doesn't say 4.5. It says cook it in 4.5 minutes. Let's try this again.
That would be a lot of ravioli.
I have 3 pounds. Try that again. Y'all, it's been a long day.
We've had a day.
This day it's been a day.
Yes, we've had
Now
a day.
you can take the time and make this real pretty and line it all up, but your old girl here ain't doing that, okay?
That's not how we're rolling.
It's not how we rolling. All right. Come on. I felt one more in there. There she goes, right there.
Trying to hang out.
Trying to hang out. Let me move this out the way so you can get up in here and see what I'm doing. Alright, we're just going to scoot this around like this. Now, here goes another layer. Now, I have got some Alfredo sauce. You can make this yourself. I have a video for that as well.
I will also link that in the description of this video.
He's just doing a lot. He's doing the most.
If you
today.
want to make it homemade from scratch throughout the whole thing, your own spaghetti sauce and your own Alfredo sauce.
You do you, baby.
Now, we don't have raviolis yet, but I'm sure at some point we may make some raviolis.
I
too.
do
Hey.
want to do that. If y'all have any, listen, where's my sweet little ladies out there that makes their pasta?
Yeah.
That's my goal. I want to be like you when I grow up. All right, we're just going to pour this little Alfredo sauce all over this. Now, I did buy the bigger jar because it was cheaper. It was like $2.30 for this big old jar. We're going to just spread this around. Let me get some water in this because we're going to loosey-goose it up. All right. Get it loosed up. Look at all that we was missing out on. What? All right. Just gonna spread it around. Now, can't have all this goodness without some more cheese. I've just got some mozzarella cheese. You can put whatever kind of cheese you want on it. And put as much as you want on it, honey. Because it's your food. You do you. Now I am going to cover this and bake it for about 30 minutes at 375. And then I will uncover it, take the foil off, uncover it, and let it cook for about 10-15 minutes more. But we want that pasta to be good and soft and cooked through. All that little cheesy goodness.
Man.
Yes. And that's all it is to it, y'all. And it is.
Good looking, simple casserole.
I'm gonna add a little sprinkle of, you know.
And I think that qualifies as a casserole because it's got cheese.
It's got cheese. Yes, sir. Look at you learning, Russell.
Yeah.
Cheese or crackers.
That's right.
All right, we're gonna seal this up. Get it in the oven, 375 for 30 minutes, and I'll be back when I take the lid off. Show you what it looks like. Ooh, voila!
Cheesy, melty, bubbly
Cheesy goodness, yes. Cheesy goodness. All right, back in she goes, and then we just gonna let that finish on the top, and we're gonna be ready for some supper. All right, that's what it's looking like. It's looking like supper. Oh,
Right on time, y'all.
right on time.
Melty, cheesy, goodness.
Yes, sir. Yummy, yum. Give it a little look. See, you want to just make sure that the ravioli is nice and tender. Supper's ready.
Ready.
Ready. Are you ready for
I'm
it?
ready, yeah. I'm excited. I'm excited to try this.
We just paired it with a little simple salad.
She's smoking.
I didn't do bread. Ain't you proud of me?
I don't need none of that. That's bread's your thing.
Crusty bread.
Yeah, that's her thing.
It's my thing.
Here we go, y'all. In for the kill.
It's hot.
That's good.
It's good.
That's real good.
Mm-hmm.
So the creamy Alfredo's good.
Yeah, it makes it really creamy.
Now we gotta go some of the.
Some of the
Y'all
sauce.
know I gotta go in for some of that homemade spaghetti sauce. We gotta get some of that in our life. Know
And
what
the
that's all about.
sausage.
Ooh. She's right.
She is. She's smoking.
Oh man.
And the good thing about this, it made a big old honking pan, so we're going to have some leftovers.
And it ain't gonna do them to get better.
That's right. That's right.
You know how that day old
All
gets
them
better?
flavors just marry, and
Yeah.
it's good.
Look at that cheesy. Ooh,
That
y'all.
cheese pull.
We're gonna have to wrap this up.
Yeah, so nice and tender.
Nice
Nice
and tender.
good.
The pasta's really good, actually.
Yeah.
You know.
And it was just the Walmart. It was $6 for that big old bag of ravioli. Now, personally, I like the spinach one.
That's good.
The Rana
I like the
spinach,
spinach, too,
the cheesy spinach.
It's not my favorite green, but I like spinach. It's okay.
It's good in the ravioli. Just stuff it in some pasta.
Yeah.
It's good.
It really is. I like with the cream sauce. I like spinach.
Very good. But you can change it up. You can do tortellini.
Yeah, that'd
little
be good
cheese
too.
tortellini.
Yeah, man.
Do it listen
However you want. Yeah.
That's
Change
right.
it up.
It's your kitchen,
Treat
baby.
yourself.
Yeah, treat yourself.
Yeah.
If y'all try this, y'all holler at us in the comments.
Let us know. Yeah. We love it.
We do.
Yeah.
Anyway, love when y'all drop down and say hello.
I tell you, that's different with the cream sauce and the red
the
sauce
Alfredo.
together. It gives it a different flavor.
I have always mixed them. In fact, the recipe on TikTok, I think it's just the spaghetti sauce. It's the red sauce. But I have always mixed the Alfredo together.
You can kind of go back and forth or mix them together and kind of
Yeah.
separate it. I like it. It's like 2 different meals in one, y'all.
Yep. Half and half.
Mhm.
But anyway, y'all, thank you so much for watching and for joining us here. And until next time.